My video guide will help you to get rid of the pop-up windows that are coming from the website Jxxx.xyz. It's a malicious pop-up that tries to actually force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extension. In fact, the extension is called Shade, and this particular extension is responsible for causing unwanted redirections through random websites. When you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by websearches.club. Even if you use Google as your start page and you enter certain search queries, you may notice some strange bbbn.xyz redirection, and then you may see that the results are delivered by websearches.club. Obviously, this is the serious problem, and that's the problem because of these Jxxx.xyz pop-ups and the installed extension. Very often this Shade extension may be integrated with some free applications, so people tend to download and install it pretty unintentionally. In the light of this information, we strongly advise that you get rid of all these suspicious extensions by going to the menu, clicking on More Tools, then going to Extensions. So disable and remove this Shade extension completely from your browser. Finally, I would also recommend that you research your computer additionally with the combo cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the analysis of your computer to be sure that it is free of any other threats. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threads, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threads and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific thread. So you may go to this location of thread on your Mac computer and get rid of this thread one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.